Hi, friends. Today you are going to take an exciting erudition test. Will you be able to answer 20 questions from different spheres: science, history, art, and even nature? Let's see who of you is a real polymath. Turn on logic, remember everything you know, and forward to new knowledge and interesting discoveries. And to not miss such cool challenges, subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Which bird of the Casuariiformes is the largest bird in Australia? Ostrich, cockatoo, casio, emu. The emu is the largest bird of the Casuariiform order found in Australia. It reaches a height of up to 1.9 meters and weighs up to 45 kilograms. Emu have the ability to run long distances and can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. What is the name of an instrument for measuring force in newtons? Voltmeter, ammeter, dynamometer, wattmeter. A dynamometer is a device for measuring force in newtons. It is used to determine the force exerted by an object when it is acted upon. Dynamometers are widely used in physics, engineering, sports, and other fields to accurately measure force, such as in testing materials or evaluating the strength of a handshake. What is the name of the monetary unit in Azerbaijan? Manat, lek, dinar, dollar. The manat has been the official currency of Azerbaijan since 1992, when it replaced the Soviet ruble. This currency is named after the ancient Azerbaijani coin manat, which was used in the 19th century. What is the name of a 3-year wedding anniversary? Linen, paper, leather, glass. What is the name of a crocodile with a very narrow jaw? Which animal is the symbol of Australia? Kangaroo, koala, emu, duckbill. Kangaroos are unique creatures that are the symbol of Australia. What is interesting is that kangaroos have incredible speed and can jump long distances. They also have muscular hind legs and a long tail that helps them keep their balance while jumping. At what altitude above sea level is the highest point on Earth? 6,119 meters, 8,848 meters, 10,392 meters, 5,192 meters. The highest point on Earth is 8,848 meters above sea level and is called Everest. It is the highest mountain in the world, located in the Himalayas between Nepal and Tibet. What color is considered the traditional color for a wedding dress in China, India, and Vietnam? Blue, red, white, yellow. In China, India, and Vietnam, the traditional color for a wedding dress is red. This color symbolizes luck, joy, and prosperity in the culture of these countries, and it is often used in traditional wedding dresses. Who wrote the work Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? John Tolkien, Joanne Rowling, Stephen King, George Martin. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was written by British author Joanne Rowling. It is the first book in the Harry Potter series and has become a huge worldwide literary and cultural phenomenon. Which fish family does not turn red? Salmonids, sturgeonids, codfish, all are. The codfish family does not turn red. What is the monetary unit in Austria? Franc, dollar, dinar, euro. The monetary unit in Austria is the euro. The euro was introduced into circulation in Austria on January 1, 1999, replacing the national currency, the Austrian shilling. Currently, the euro is the official currency in all Eurozone countries, including Austria. How many continents are there on planet Earth? 5 continents, 6 continents, 7 continents, 8 continents. There are 6 continents on planet Earth: Africa, Antarctica, Eurasia, North America, South America, and Australia. Which animal is the symbol of the year according to the Chinese calendar in 2024? Horse, rat, monkey, dragon. The symbol of the year 2024 according to the Eastern calendar is the Greenwood dragon. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Baikal, Lake Victoria, Lake Superior, Caspian Sea. The lake has an area of about 82 square kilometers, making it one of the largest lakes by area on the planet. What is the process by which plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen? Osmosis, photosynthesis, hydrolysis, diffusion. Photosynthesis is an amazing process that not only provides oxygen to plants but is also the basis for life on Earth. Green plants and some bacteria use light energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic compounds, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This process not only supports life on Earth but is also a key element of the food chain, as plants are the basis of food for many animals, including us humans. What is the name of the highest mountain peak in the world? Everest, Kilimanjaro, Aconcagua, McKinley. The highest mountain peak in the world is called Everest. It is the highest point on Earth, located in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and China. Everest reaches a height of about 8,848 meters above sea level. Which of the following species is an insect? Snail, beetle, frog, gecko. Beetles are insects that make up the order of hardwings. Their front pair of wings are strengthened as elytra, which distinguishes them from most other insects. Which of these scientists formulated the theory of relativity? Nikola Tesla, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Charles Darwin. Albert Einstein formulated in 1905 the special theory of relativity, and in 1915 the general theory of relativity. Which city is the capital of Australia? Melbourne, Canberra, Sydney, Brisbane. The capital of Australia is Canberra. This city was specially planned and built to become the capital of Australia in the 20th century. Which chemical element makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon. Nitrogen is the main component of Earth's atmosphere, making up about 78% of its volume. Who wrote the musical composition In the Cave of the Mountain King? Jan Sibelius, Richard Wagner, Edward Grieg, Georg Handel. Edward Grieg, a 19th-century Norwegian composer, wrote the musical composition In the Cave of the Mountain King in 1867. This piece is part of his Lyrical Pieces piano cycle, which includes many miniature works inspired by Norwegian nature and folk motifs. In the Cave of the Mountain King is known for its mystical atmosphere and its use of melodies that have come to symbolize the native nature and folklore of Norway. Here's the finish line. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge. Was it hot? To not miss new cool tests and facts, click subscribe. There are many more interesting things to come.